Analyze the chemical equation and physical properties of the species. The dimerization reaction of nitrogen dioxide is represented as 2 is in equilibrium with N2O4. Crucially, the reactant number 2 is a dark brown gas, whereas the product N2O4 is a colorless gas. Relate physical properties to light absorption. Because number 2 is a colored substance and N2O4 is colorless, only the number 2 reactant molecules will absorb visible electromagnetic radiation. Understand the concept of spectrophotometry. Spectrophotometry is an analytical technique where the light absorbance of a chemical species in a sample is measured. According to the Beer-Lambert law, absorbance A is directly proportional to concentration C via the relationship A equals ABC, where A is the molar absorptivity coefficient of the species and B is the path length of the sample cell. Determine concentration at equilibrium. By measuring the absorbance of the dynamic equilibrium mixture in a closed optical cell, a student can determine the exact concentration of the colored gas, number 2, at equilibrium. Because spectrophotometry is a non-destructive method that does not physically or chemically alter the molecules, the system remains completely undisturbed at dynamic equilibrium during measurement. This identifies option D as the correct choice. The correct answer is option D, spectrophotometry.